Hey everybody, I am at the very end of the Nantasket Peninsula. I'm in Hull, Massachusetts. It's rainy, but it's still beautiful. As you can see, there's the Atlantic Ocean and a lot of islands out there. In this video, I just want to talk a little bit about travel and show you some of the things that I bring. It'll be really short. Maybe I'll throw a little drone up there and show you my hotel and the beach and all that other cool stuff. But right now, I'm admiring the beauty of the end of the peninsula. So let's go check everything out. Let's go. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kenny, and I like long walks on the beach. Now, joking, but welcome. If you like new things, this is the place to be. So thanks for watching. I'm just here showing you where I'm at, how I got here, some of the things I bring, and that's about it. So let's start this quick video. I'm on my last day here in New England and thought I would show you where I'm staying. So check it out. Look at this beach. Absolutely beautiful. That's the Atlantic Ocean. I always enjoy seeing the water because there's not much in Denver. But today, I just wanted to show you some of the things that I bring along on my trip. Thinking about making another video on preparations for travel, things you can do to kind of make it cheaper. But for now, I just wanted to show you some of how I pack, some of the things I bring, and things of that nature. So first, I want to show you the hotel I'm staying in. This is Nantasket Beach Resort here. So I got a discount here because it's off season. So you know, most people are coming in the summertime, and I came. This is October, mid-October. So things are a bit more cheap now. And there are not many people, and as you can see, it's kind of chilly out here. Nobody wants to be on the beach while it's chilly. So one of my first essential things, not necessarily important, but I bring it everywhere I go, is my drone. So let's check it out. So here's my drone. You see, it's not very big, but it's super cool. So I'm gonna open it up for you, and I'm gonna fly it around and show you Nantasket. Open it like that. There's the camera and all that. I'm preparing this to fly now so I can get a cool view of the peninsula. But my drone is important to me, so I can get some cool views that you wouldn't normally see. I'm gonna launch it out and let you see it take off. Let's head up. Let me first show you my car, but let's head off this beach. So the car I typically rent well, no particular car, but the company I use is Turo. I like Turo. But when I got to Boston, well, right before I went to Boston, the day before, whoever's car I was gonna rent canceled it. So I ended up having to get this rent from a rental place. And I got a Ford, what the heck is the name of this thing? A Ford Escape. So it's pretty cool. I'll give you a little peek. I mean, I don't really think very much of the features, but yeah. And it's pretty cool. It got me from Boston to Waltham, I think it is, and to Martha's Vineyard, and now to Nantasket. So let's head up to my room. This is the hotel. Let's head up and see the things I bring. All right, I'm in the hotel. Let's go inside the room and check out what I got. All right, so there's some dirty laundry there. This is my suitcase. I pretty much just packed a few shoes. There's a few things I wanted to do. So I have these shoes, which are my hiking boots, which I love the most. I prefer to wear them every day, but these are for these are my running shoes, and I wear them if I'm going to be walking a ton, you know. And these are just some cheap ass Skechers. A couple sweaters and a few things. It depends on the weather. I can carry a lot less in the summertime. So yeah, here's my backpack. So let me show you this. First of all, let me tell you, this is my favorite backpack ever. So I have the sides that open for something drinks. I usually sit like a hydro flask or something in here. Got extra pocket here. Opens up. You can put anything in here. And typically I have my laptop back here. So I have another flap here. Here's a flap. And I put things like wipes, tissues. What I got? Tissues. I got my sunglasses in there. I got a lock, so sometimes I go to the gym and I just take that lock. I usually have baby wipes and then like some Clorox wipes. So yeah, over here I have my laptop I bring. I do editing and all that. I always have my Beats earphones. I love those. I just listen to music all the time. I got a little packet for electronics and stuff. There's my external hard drive. Here's my drone I showed you earlier. So that's all in there. Typically I carry all that in my backpack. Here is my GoPro. I'm filming with my Pixel, but here's my GoPro and a lot of different attachments. So this is my mic attachment or my media attachment. Extra batteries, little things. This is, if you saw the Mackinac Island video, I used my GoPro, put it on here, and that's how I attach it to the handlebars. This is my water bottle. What else we got here? It's my toiletries and all that stuff. Chapstick. These are some strange fruits I got from I think it was Whole Foods, and I can't remember the name. I have to crack it open and eat it. Orange. These are called rambutans. I don't know how you pronounce them, but they're pretty cool. You kind of peel them open and the fruits inside. What else we got here? Oh, I got my speaker. I just take that in the shower, listen to podcasts, listen to books, and all that other good stuff. These are my new mics that I use, so hopefully my videos come out sounding well. But these are my mics. Basically I take this off, attach it to my shirt, and you can hear me. And that's it. That's really the basis of what I bring and what comes with me. Even though it seems like a lot, this all fits into my backpack. And then usually I have plenty of room inside my suitcase. And that's that. Here's the view of my room. Not too great of a view, but again, I got a decent price here because it's off season. Anyway, that's it. Tell me what you think. Leave in the comments what things would you bring? Do you think I should be bringing anything else, or can I make it a lot lighter? I know I can make it a lot lighter, but just let me know. I think I might do a whole nother video on you know, cheap travel, which I'm not an expert at, but I'll just tell you what I do. Anyway, on to the next thing. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.